very cool, no hesitation. I knew right then the story I would have to tell. I'm afraid to love again, 'cause of what I've been through. But your patience, boy, and perfect touch got me focused on you. And the possibilities got you here with me. I was broken once, yes, that's true. But now I'm rocking to a new possibilities. Got you here with me. I'm ready to see where this will lead. Just take my hand, now it's you and me. Come spend with you. It's so amazing. When we're apart, you're heavy on my mind. The past made me feel like I was so done. Then you came through, I'm feeling so renewed. I'm afraid to love again, 'cause of what I've been through. But your patience, boy, and perfect touch got me focused on you. I'm gonna go to a place where we can see if you and me are meant to be. Begging and guaranteed, but ooh, honey, you got me open to the possibilities of me. I'm gonna give my all, no fear. I'm so ready.
No, nitratos. Nitratos. Espera, espera, a ver que se ve. Saca de. No voy que le va lo para el cubo.
Boy, be doing that, don't get it.
Started with your picture, then I kept on clicking. I think I'm falling for you.
I think I'm falling for you, girl.
It's that subtle thing about your every word, every smile, every pose. I'm losing my head for you.
Is it crazy if I fall? Is it weird that I want you to message me? Or maybe I should message you. Is it weird that you pop up when I feel alone? Maybe you feel it too. And do you feel alone? 'Cause I don't wanna be lonely anymore. Without you I'm